welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel if you've never been here before, and I'm into motherhood and lifestyle here on my channel. Today's video we are going to talk about a much awaited video that will get you guys in the clear of knowing how I potty trained Novelle, who just turned 2 years old July 31st, 2019. So we're not going to take you through any shortcuts or anything like that, and we're also not going to go and hit a bunch of boundaries. We're just going to get straight into this. So like I said, let's make it short, sweet, and to the point, because that's how we love it. So the last week of August, it was exactly a month after we started nailing Novelle, telling her, you know, you got to get potty trained. You're 2 years old now. Like, come on, honey. Like, you can do it. Well, finally, we hit the buzzer. It only took her 4 days to potty train. 4 days, and that's it. You want to know how we did it? I have a secret. It's easy. We use stickers. Stickers! That's how we potty trained our daughter. And not everybody's like that. Some people will go a different way. We got Vampirina, Princess, and what's that? Fancy Nancy, the French girl. That's French for butterfly. Papillon. The 3 things that she did, like the 3 main characters, we got those in stickers, and we got them from Dollar Tree, $1 a piece. Great quality. You guys probably have seen them in my bathroom before because they're still hanging. We're going to take them down eventually and put them in her baby book. Anyway, that's what we used to potty train her. When she would pee, she would get 1 sticker. When she would poop, she'd get 2 small stickers that added up to 1 large sticker. Excuse me. And that's like all we did. We would run to the bathroom, like we'd make it a game out of it, and we would say, oh, you have to go potty, let's go, let's run. Or we would pick her up and go, oh, come on, like mommy and daddy do it. And when we went potty, growing up, we always had her in the bathroom with us, so I think that helped too. She's actually with Colt's parents right now. He went over there to wash her blankie because she spilled some milk on it while she was eating her nightly cereal because we didn't want to cook dinner tonight. Bad parent status right here, but I parent how I want to, and we both had a hard day, and cereal's like the best snack ever. And she ate her grains, and she had some fruits and veggies today, and she had some meat, and she also had milk from me, from mama, because we're still breastfeeding. Yeah. So she just needed a snack and to go to sleep, and that was it. So, anyway, so what we would do is during the day, we would just make sure that like every 15 minutes at first we were listening to her needs, we were watching her, we were making sure she was going. She went through tons of underwear for the first 2 days. The first day she did amazing. The second day there were accidents. The third day there were so many accidents she went through like 15 pairs of underwear in that 2 to 3 day span. So eventually I just let her run around the house naked. On the 4th day, I don't know what happened. She woke up. She was a winner. She was like, Mommy, I have to go potty. And she ran. She was just amazing. Like, beyond amazing. My little girl is wonderful. May I also say, I believe we started potty training her on August 25th. She never once had a nightly accident. The first time she's ever had an accident was the other night. She was sick. She was coughing really bad. She woke up in the middle of the night and she accidentally peed, and she still sleeps with us. We still co-sleep. Nothing wrong with that. Called bed sharing also. Co-sleeping is more like when a child's in their bed, but it's in your room. Bed sharing is when you're all in the same bed. Nothing wrong with that in my eyes. Some of you may judge a little bit, but honestly, I am the parent. I had her in my tummy for 9 months, in my uterus, I mean. So, I'm going to do what I want, how I want to. We've bed shared since she was literally like a day old. I even bed shared with her in my hospital. But anyways, that's the only time she's ever had a nightly accident. Do not be the kind of parent who gives your child a bunch of candy. If you do candy to get them to be potty trained, use chocolate, because chocolate will melt rather than using something like Skittles or Starburst. They're going to stick to the teeth and cause cavities. Also, make sure you praise them. Make sure you're upbeat and high. Don't be high maintenance about it, like yelling or ew. When you say ew or you're yelling at them or you're telling them it's gross to poop on the floor, I don't know what else to say. You're making them feel bad. They're little people. They have little hearts. They have feelings that are huge compared to their bodies. Please do not make your child feel like it's their fault they just pooped or peed on the floor. They are growing. They don't understand yet. They're learning from you. If you're upset about it, they're just going to keep on doing it. It's going to cause them to have more accidents because they're trying so hard not to. And not estimate they it just happens. The last 3 days, Novelle's had so many accidents because she's playing so hard that she forgets to go potty. And I almost blew up. Honestly, I'm not even going to lie. I almost blew up because I was like, she's been potty trained for like 2 months now, almost 3. Like, what is going on? And she just, I can't even tell you what happened because, you know, but I didn't blow up. Like, I just, Novelle, honey, we cannot do this. We have to make sure we're going potty. And, of course, the father has to be involved, too. If the father is around, he needs to be able to potty train a significant other, whoever is by you. If you are a single mom, I praise you because I don't think, sometimes I feel like I'm doing it by myself. And then other times I feel like I'm not. Somebody's at least there to give me at least a 5-minute break to go to the bathroom, whatever else it may be. And I also praise those parents who have more than one child. I run a daycare with 6 children on the daily, Monday through Friday, and I don't know if I'd be able to have 6 kids literally, biologically, or adopted, foster care, or anything like that, because I wouldn't be able to do it 24/7. No way in heck. So I praise every single one of you guys that have big families. I only want one more child. We're still trying to conceive, and then we're done. I'm getting my tubes tied, and I'm done, guys. Done. But anyway, that's all we did for Novelle. That is all we did. She's just a trooper, and I just love her so much. She's my little incredible baby. Now we're trying for baby number 2. Tune in for those videos. Every video will be up every Sunday and Tuesday because that's it for this video. If you guys like this, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Click that bell. It'll be down here. I want to say, I hope I'm right. Also, click that alarm notification so you never miss a future upload. And comment down below whether it's your family, what you're going to be for Halloween, your favorite candy, something like that has to do with Halloween because we're trying to get up to 100 subscribers. If we can make it, we're going to do one giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel. Dun, 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 dun. And the only other thing you have to do is leave something sweet in the comments. Sweet, like your favorite candy. Also, too, the last couple videos, thank you guys, every single one of you guys, for supporting me. I think I have 68 subscribers now. Every single one of you guys mean so much to me, and you're all my little family. I appreciate it 100% so much. And I appreciate every single one of you guys. I love you all. Thank you for all the sweet things that you're replying to me, that you're saying out of your own whim. There was one girl that said, who else loves her? That, like, made my heart light up, and I smiled when I saw that comment because that was amazing. I love you so much. I think her name was Tina.